Here's Baylor eating.
But he's so knowledgeable about geography.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Is that good? Messy face? He's got a very good appetite.
Where are you?
Come on, chunky monkey. Scary.
He's eating.
Ah! 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 You're scaring me. Ah!
Here.
Eat, chunky monkey. Hang on. I'll help this for you. Baylor.
It's actually a lot harder than it looks.
Was that good, chunky monkey?
Is that it? In there?
That's it. He ate the whole bottle.
You ate it all? You're done? Chunky monkey? Yummy, yummy. You want to drink some water? Let's go have some water.
Ah!
Have some water.
Ah! Ah! Scary.
Little cup for you. Here's your little cup.
Okay, say bye, Baylor. Bye.
Say bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah.